Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how our team uses advanced techniques to remotely solve those annoying gimbal calibration errors. If you're a drone enthusiast and want to learn how to keep your equipment in perfect condition, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Who hasn't had a crazy day with their drone, right? Well, let me tell you what happened to mine. I was flying peacefully when, out of nowhere, a gust of wind played a trick on me. My drone ended up in free fall, and guess what? The stabilizer took the first hit. Look at how it turned out. The good thing was that I found videos on how to repair the stabilizer and did it myself to save some money. However, I noticed that after doing this, some errors appeared in the DJI app. Here you can see the list of errors that will appear after the repair. As you can see, there are errors 40021 and 40011. If you try to calibrate the gimbal in the DJI app, unfortunately, it won't work. Here, I'll show you how our team remotely eliminates these errors for our customers around the world. The first thing you need to have installed is AnyDesk. This will allow remote connection to your computer. We recommend that this computer be running Windows. And the second application you should install is DJI Assistant 2 for consumer drones. This allows you to install the drivers so that the drone can use the USB port on the computer. When we connect to the computer, our team will install a series of applications that allow us to access the drone. Okay, we'll start with Radman VPN, which allows us to be on the same network and use the drone remotely. This method allows us to provide efficient remote assistance while maintaining data security. Don't worry about this. We do this with all our customers worldwide. This procedure is completely secure, and privacy is our priority. We also install the USB Network Gate program. This software allows users to share USB devices over a network that we have already prepared for you. With these installed, our team will continue with the process and provide you with some steps to follow to successfully eliminate the errors. It's really simple and takes between 20-30 minutes to complete the process. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more exciting videos and expert tips. Thanks for watching and happy flying.